Wake up, okimasu. Sleep, nemasu. Work, hatarakimasu. Take a holiday, yasumimasu. To study, benkyoshimasu. Finish, owarimasu. Department, depato. Bank, ginko. Post office, yobinkyoku. Library, toshokan. Art museum, bijutsukan. Morning, asa. Noon, hiru. Hello everyone, you are watching Japanese language classes with Manisha. तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे vocab series का पार्ट 4. Evening या night is ban और yoru. AM, gozen. PM, gogo. Day before yesterday, ototoi. Yesterday, kino. Today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashita. Day after tomorrow, asatte. This morning, kesa. Rest या recess is yasumi. Lunch break, hiru yasumi. Every morning, my asa. Every night, my ban. Every day, my nichi.